Welcome to RK's Market Wrap. Let's have a look into Apple. Wow, Apple is riding higher after the market. It is having a nice time. Looks like it is going to grind higher up to 500. For the timing, I have a immediate target 485. So if you are holding the Apple positions, hold on to it and get some good profit. Let's check the Adobe. Wow, Adobe has a breakout, nice breakout. I can see a next target is at 500. So sit back and relax. If you have another $20 move, if you have one contract, you're looking for $10 profit. That is 1000 profit on one contract. I hope you got one today. AMD trying to get out from the struggle. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I have TT has to pass this line, otherwise I have no hope. Then Amazon, I'm still waiting for its confirmation to go for a breakout. It's still struggling, though it has a breakout. Still it is struggling its last resistance. So let's see what it does tomorrow. I'm sure it is going to ride up to 3500. BA, I'll not go through that. It's still struggling. Our favorite CRM, let's see what it is doing. CRM may have a breakout tomorrow. It has earnings on 8/25. So I think you should see more upside before the earnings. So we should get out from the CRM trade before the earnings. FB, I think FB started running, so we should see some movement tomorrow. So let's see if we can recover some of our positions. FDX, no. Gold, still have doubt. Still is it in struggle. Wow, Google. So let's see if we have a breakout tomorrow on Google. It just hits the resistance. So one time, second time, let's see if it pass through. So let me put a alert on this one so that you guys can check into this. Lulu, I don't know. It is more upside. It's going up. I missed it from here till this point. It was good, then it picked up, so I underestimated it. Microsoft is going to kiss the resistance line, so another $2 move kind of stuff. So let's see, $1 to $2 move. After that it has a breakout. Netflix trying to come out from the struggle. I think it has a chance, Let's see. I still don't believe, but I think I could have taken a position, but it's going to get it here. 511. Now I just missed this one, but it is going to have a breakout. So if you are holding this now position, enjoy the trade. So yeah, it has a breakout. Nike, still I didn't like it. Okta, it's trying to recover. This one also I missed it. This one is a breakout. There are a lot of positions. I cannot take all the trades. QQQ, it is going to get higher because Apple is trading higher. So we got a position on QQQ. So we should be fine as long as Apple grinds higher. SOP, not yet. Spot, very good. It broke out. I'm going to have something tomorrow. Lovely. Square, it is hitting the resistance again. So let's see if we can go through that. If it is go through that, then next target might be 165 to 170. So let's wait for that. Tesla, beautiful. What do you think, guys? 2200 next target 2400. I see 2400 easy reach for Tesla before the split. So be ready for that. If you are sitting on that trend, hold tight. Okay, roller coaster. Now our favorite is ESTC. Wow. ESTC. Where my target is 120. So where is it now? 110, 108. So another $12 move. What do you think? I think it can reach there. So if I have a position, some positions, I'll hold tight into that. Another $10 move. It might be 50% to 60% or 70% or maybe 100% profit if you're holding. So that's it for today's market wrap.